We got no zip. We got no zip ties.
I mean, this clutch just sucks. Just so you know, don't feel too bad. Like, I had a hard time with it.
You'll be all right.
I gotta figure out the seat though.
You'll be all right. I think I do have some zip ties if you want.
I got some.
I think I do.
What RPM can you go?
6 grand.
Oh, you go into first here. I can't do it. I gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
Front wheel drive, Javi. Front wheel drive.
Uh-huh.
Remember?
Front wheel drive. No LSD. Seemed good so far.
I wanted to practice fun. It's easy when you don't have to do shit.
Not in here.
Now I am. Nobody's coming. I want to see if I can. Oh, my foot came off the clutch. Shit. What was that?
You're neutral.
Yeah, I was trying to see if I was my foot came off. I went down and I'm like, my foot's on the ground. I was like, oh. Alright, so no, that means it's not all the way down, right?
Correct. There you go.
I gotta keep it there. No, how do I go down? I think like down is better. Oh yeah, see how it disengages a little bit? I was trying to practice and I wasn't.
I got you.
Alright, let's see now. This is stupid good. Like a bike.
Yep.
Goes sideways a little bit.
Yeah, it does. And these tires are real street tires. They're not real sticky, so.
I can't get it to gear. I can't get it. My foot moved. Damn it. I fucking hate that. There we go.
There it is.
My prosthetic moved and I'm like, I can't get into the clutch. Alright, so the last lap again. Are you going to 30 here?
Yeah. How you like it?
It's fun. I wish my leg would stay on the clutch. Like, we get to rolling a little bit and stuff, so the leg will come out to the side. So when I go to step on the clutch and go on third, I don't want to jam it because as soon as I feel it doesn't go in, it doesn't go in. That just means my leg is off and it's out there. But yeah, it's fun. You want to drive it?
Yeah.
I could have been alright shotgun.
Okay.
That's what I didn't want to do to your tires. Put them in the hole. You know what else had me thinking too? That if I pressed the gas, the back end was gonna come out like as bad as it's doing our cars.
Yeah.
I gotta remember it doesn't do it in this car as bad as ours. Bullshit how it grips still.
Crap tires.
It grips good as shit though. I wouldn't be able to do that in my car. Yeah. Ooh, I've been there before. I've been in that corner before. Yeah. 2 tires up.
I'll do that again.
But look how it stays, like the back end doesn't come out at all. If I do that in my car, I'd be like that, sliding. Oh, you go in that hole.
I smell the brakes.
Yeah.
Were you sliding in the back?
He's in the middle.